American HVAC industry, everyone recognizes green-colored pumps and related equipment as reliable and durable products made by Taco Incorporated. Taco is a leading brand when it comes to the hydronic side of heating and cooling. The Taco brand is also closely associated with the company's ownership, 3 successive generations of the White family. Over the decades since its founding in 1920, Taco's progress has been actively overseen in turn by Elwood, John Hazen-White Sr., and now John Hazen-White Jr. At its inception, Taco had one product, the Firepot generator, but the company also had an engineering genius in the person of Robert Blanding. Together with Elwood White handling sales and Blanding engineering, the two men brought to market several new and successful products during the 1930s, the tankless water heater, a tempering valve that mixed hot and cold water, and a year-round boiler control. During the war years in the 1940s, with Elwood's son John Hazen in control, the company, then known as Taco Heaters, joined the war effort, diverting its production to gun mounts for Navy warplanes and steel tube heat exchangers for warships. Taco's workers, many of them women, produced over 200,000 gun mounts by war's end and earned Taco the distinguished Army-Navy E Award for outstanding achievement in the production of war materials. Taco Heaters never stopped working during World War II. Relocating his production facility to a former trolley barn in Cranston, Rhode Island in the early 1950s, John Hazen-White invested in developing new products of European origin for the American market, the first practical vertical pump and the wet rotor circulator. Later, he'd expand Taco's product line into commercial-grade products, opening a fabricated products facility in Fall River, Massachusetts to produce heat exchangers and expansion tanks. During the 1980s, his son, John Hazen-White Jr., joined the company. Taco jumped into the 1990s with the acquisition of Sweet Controls of Connecticut, thereby adding an electronics package. At the same time, father and son reshaped their company to meet the challenges ahead and opened up the Taco Learning Center to retrain their employees and assist with their personal growth through free educational offerings. Led by John Hazen-White Jr., known as Johnny to the industry, the first decade of the 21st century proved to be a most fruitful and successful period for Taco. The company greatly expanded its product offerings and advanced hydronic technology with the introduction of energy-efficient products and systems like Load Match, the low-flow injection pumping system, and the iWorks building management controls platform. Now in its 92nd year of operation, Taco's embarked on a major upgrade to its Cranston facility and a 24,000 square foot expansion of its learning center. The new Taco Innovation and Development Center will showcase the latest products and technologies from Taco and other industry manufacturers. As the construction proceeds, the 4th generation has joined their father in the business, ensuring that the proud White family legacy of leading Taco will continue for decades to come.